Next question, prove the following. First one, gradient of r power n equal to n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. So here we have, in the place of phi, we have r power n. So grad phi equal to dou phi by dou x I crown plus dou phi by dou y j crown plus dou phi by dou z k crown. So here phi equal to r power n. Dou phi by dou x. Before going to find out dou phi by dou x, we want to find out r bar equal to xi crown plus yj crown zk crown. R bar modulus of r bar square is root of x square plus y square plus z square whole square. Modulus means coefficient of I crown square plus coefficient of y crown square, j crown square plus coefficient of k crown square, root. So root and square get cancelled. This can be written as r square x square plus y square plus z square. Modulus of r bar square equal to r square. Now partial differentiation with respect to x, r square becomes 2r dou r by dou x. Here partial differentiation with respect to x means these two are constants, that's why 0. X square differentiation is 2x. 2 cancel. Dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Now, gradient of r power n equal to dou r power n by dou x I crown, dou r power n by dou y j crown, dou r power n by dou z k crown. So r power n is there. Dou by dou x of r power n equal to, use power formula, n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x, but we know dou r by dou x is x by r. So n into x into r power n minus 1, here power is 1, it goes to numerator as minus 1. So n into x power x into r power n minus 2. Similarly, dou by dou y of r power n is n into y into r power n minus 2. Dou by dou z of r power n equal to n into z into r power n minus 2. Substitute these values here, then we are going to get, so n into, observe, in each term n into r power n minus is common. After that remaining term is xi crown plus yj crown plus zk crown. This is r bar, that's why n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. So if you want, you keep like this only, otherwise n into r power n minus 1 into r power minus 1 r bar. So minus 2 means minus 1 minus 1. n into r power n minus 1 divided by r bar. N into r power n minus 1 r bar by r. This is called r cap. Y means r cap means unit vector, that is r bar by mod r bar. But mod r bar is nothing but r. That's why r bar by r is called r crown. Second question, gradient of r. So here phi equal to r. So dou phi by dou x equal to dou r by dou x. You know that dou r by dou x is x by r. Dou r by dou phi by dou y, that is dou r by dou y equal to y by r. Dou phi by dou z equal to dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Therefore, gradient of r equal to x by r I crown, y by r j crown, z by r k crown. That means 1 by r is common, remaining is xi crown, yj crown, zk crown. That means gradient of r equal to r bar by r. This is already you know, that is r cap.